Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the block games airdrop and also the universal health token airdrop. So I'll be explaining these two airdrop, how to go about them. You've been seeing the waves around the block games. You've been like, okay, what's going on? How do I farm this airdrop? How do I get it? So this is a video, a guide, a step-by-step guide on how to begin with the block games airdrop, as well as how to farm this UHT token, UHT airdrop, which is called the Universal Health Token. These two airdrop are they are just simple tasks that need to be done for you to earn the token. And for this UHT airdrop is ending soon. So the moment you're seeing this video, do the right thing so that you can get the free airdrop. So now let's proceed with the block game farming first. Then we move to the UHT airdrop token airdrop farming. So this is what we have. The moment you register on the block games, if you are just registering, if you are yet to register, check the registration link in the comment section or the description box. So this is what the home page looks like. You can use it. You can absolutely, you need your phone. You don't need a laptop. You don't need you don't even need a Mrs. browser to do all of this. You only need your phone for these block games. You use the regular browser. So after you've done registering and you log in, this is what you've been seeing. This is the interface. So there are two ways to farm this block game airdrop. Number one is the social. Number two is the in-app activities. The social is the Twitter farming. You've been seeing the post all around Twitter where the influencers they are taking over, like they've been farming, commenting blog, tagging them. So that is the social farming. You can, I'll drop the link to a Twitter post comment on the a Twitter post I made around these blog games. You can, when you go there, you comment, you like, you follow each other. All of these things are what you do to earn the social points. So the social points is majorly for the tweeters. You have to make use of Twitter when you comment under a post of under a post that involve block, and you must put the block there. You see this N block, you see the dollar sign. That's how you're going to comment. This is the thing you're going to comment. You're going to tag it along with your post. Anytime you make a post, just include this X dollar block, and you can as well tag them as get block. So I'm going to use one as an example now and see. So I'll drop the link to the Twitter post to this video, the description box or the comment section. Go in there, make your comments, like, retweet, repost. Those are the kind of thing those are the things that you do to earn the block token for the socials. Now let's go to airdrop. You see, social and engage. This is social, this is engage. You see the points that we are currently having. I've not been farming on Twitter actually, so we can farm together, so you can earn social points together as well. So now to get the social, you see open on X. Let's deal with the social first. When I click on this open on X, I'm going to make a post as I said earlier and drop the link to the post in this video. Go to it, interact, follow, repost, retweet, quote the tweet, like it, and make sure that everything you are doing, you are also including the blog. You see what this person is doing. So I'm going to make use of it as well. So to make an example, let me just say another day to farm, another day to get a block, another day to get so you see what the farming looks like. So like that, I can write, let's fucking go to the moon. Then I will tag them, get block. So you need to do the right thing so that you don't miss out. You see, then I'll make a tag to them. So the moment I do this, I've done a tag for today. Then I can now copy the link and drop it to this video. Then you interact. When you are interacting, make sure you are commenting this blog the way it is. You see all this blog, that's what you're gonna do to earn. So this is what you're gonna do. You like, you repost, you quote it with the hashtag with the blog these dollars and this that I've just done. So that is how to do the Twitter. That is how to do the Twitter posts. So I'll go back to my blog. They are counting it. Okay, I forgot to say this. The moment you register, you are connecting your Twitter. Connect your Twitter account, connect your wallet. So that when you make a tweet, as you are liking, as you are reposting, as you are commenting, they are seeing your activities and they will record it for you. You understand? So that is how the Twitter post works. So now let's go to wallet. This is where you add your wallet. And okay, I've talked about the Twitter post. And yeah, the next one is to complete profile. If I click on this complete profile, I've not completed my profile actually. So they said activate one game, complete one challenge. To activate a game, this is the second way to earn on this block to farm these block games. So if I go to activate a game, so these are the games. Remember I said you have to do socials and you have to do in-app earnings. This is the number 2 to earn. So these are the games. Let me just click on one and try to activate. Okay, let me do this. Then I'll click on activate. This activation might take a while, but you have to hold on for it. You see, play now. Until this play now button becomes active, that's when you can click on it. So you have to hold on for the play now button to become active. Then you now click on the play now, download the app, play the games, at least complete a challenge. That's how to complete your profile. You click on this play now button once it is activated. Like you see, waiting for game activation may take a while. So if the play now button becomes active, I'll click on it, then proceed to download the game from Play Store. I think they are using Play Store majorly. Then play the game, and automatically maybe after 48 hours or 24 hours my profile will be complete. Then I can earn 1,000 points additionally. I don't even know if they've given me, because I've played the game actually, and I've done more than 2 games already today. I think that was why I'm getting then that is all for the block games, activate games, do socials, and that's it. Then the referral is optional, before some people would start thinking like if you don't refer you will not make money. No, do the socials and play games, then you earn block points. As simple as that. Do socials, play games, complete your profile, connect your wallet, connect your Twitter, you earn the points. More points, more airdrop token. As simple as that. That's just the summing around the block games. Now let's go to the UHT airdrop. This is a very simple tax as well, but I think some people are mixing it up. Some people are not really familiar with this Galex tax. Let me just give you an heads up about it. This one is majorly like, retweet, post, follow. Those are the Twitter tags you have to do on this UHT airdrop. So now while we wait for it to load, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, very important, so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates that I'll be making around all of these projects that I'm introducing to you guys. Get subscribed. You can as well join my Telegram channel, so you get my updates back to back. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the Telegram link in the comment section or the description box. Get subscribed to the 2 major channels. Then you can as well follow me on my Twitter page. I'll be dropping the link for the blog games in the description box or the comment section. Follow, like, retweet, share, comment the blog, and you also get, by doing that we farm blog together. So you earn, I earn. That's how it is. So this is how to do the socials for this UHT airdrop. This airdrop is not really making waves, but it will just be a choker. You know, some airdrop no dey make noise, but guess what, guys, it will make it. So this is just the major thing that you have to do. You have to log into your Galex. You must have a Galex account first. Have a Galex account. If you've been farming testnet airdrop, then you should have this account. Then the moment you and you can sign up, just this galex.com, sign up, then copy this registration link for this UHT airdrop, copy it and paste it on your Mrs. browser. Use Mrs. browser for this. Mrs. browser, so that you where you have your MetaMask wallet, because you'll be connecting your wallet. Use Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser for this. For block games, you can use the regular browser. So these are the tags you have to do. You see, follow UTH official on Twitter. So if I click on this follow, it will take me to my Twitter. It's telling me to log in first. You see, you can log in with your Twitter, create an account with your Discord or email, then or wallet. So you have to have an account with this Galex first, then do these tags. So the moment you click on this follow and you've done the followed tags, come back to this circle. This circle, you have to click on it. When it turns green, if you follow them, it should turn green, because automatically you've added your Twitter account to this page. Then after you follow them, it turns green. You follow them on Discord too. You come back to click on this round thing that you're seeing here. It turns green. If you've done the task, it turns green. Then join the UTH. Once you do the task, this thing turns green when you click on it. If it doesn't turn green, that means you've not completed the task when you click on it. So visit share with something. You have to visit their website. In visiting this website, you have to use like 30 seconds to 1 minute on the site for this task to count. You use 30 seconds to 1 minute. So you let the site load, then stay 30 seconds. You can scroll up and down, and you can as well, you make sure you are following them on this Galex too. You click on this follow that you are seeing here. Follow them on this Galex so that your task can count. So these are the tasks you do. You like on their Twitter. After you're done, come back to this circle. You click on it, it turns green. So after you've completed all of these things, then this oath button, this universal health token, this oath, this is what they call the oath. It will show claim. I don't want to log in, because if I log in, it will automatically bring in my account, and I've done the task. It will show claim. Then you have to click on the claim. The moment you click on the claim button, that's all. You've done the task like that. You have to click on the claim button. You have to claim the host. If you don't claim it, you've not earned anything, even though you do all of these tasks. You have to. You see, it's only 2 oaths. This and this. These are the tasks you have to do. Visit the learn about UTH. Visit the learn about tokenomics. Once you just click on it, read the page for 30 seconds, 1 minute, come back, click on this circle thing, it will go. Then the moment you complete it, this oath thing will turn claim. Click on claim, and that's all. You don't need gas fee to claim on this. You don't need gas fee to claim. It's absolutely free to claim. So this is how to do the UHT tags, and as well as the block game tags. I hope this video helps. So the moment you are seeing this video, take your position on the UHT tags, because it's ending soon. And the block games tags, start farming, play games, do socials, and block games points. Then await further updates about this too. I'll bring the subsequent updates on this project, and the ones I've been sharing here on YouTube as well. So stay positioned. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Share this video for more views. Let people share. Let people get to see these updates. Show some love, show some support. Like, share, comments, drop your questions on the comment section. And you can also show your support by sending a super thanks to this video. Click on the thanks button below this video, beside the share button. You see thanks. Click on it. Share. Show your support by sending us a super thanks. It will be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys on the next one.